Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters and mga kachi! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung sa mga kayong napalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ng ating bidang-bidang si G, the green girl, cutie for today. Kumana, nabatiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, good night po sa mga ready na matulog. At nandito po tayo ngayon sa the same na park lang. At dito tayo ngayon mag-shooting sa ating G sa may playground. Ayan, playground na naman tayo kasi maingay kasi meron naglilinis kasi nag-loan mower po sila. So maingay. So for now ay dito muna natin ilalapag si G. At mahaba-haba po, malaki-laki po yung kanyang lugar na kanyang pwedeng paglaruan. Anyways, before we start, thank you so much. And this is your Master Worm again, and asking you to please full bell notification po. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe dito po sa ating channel Master Worm for more updated contents. And of course, we'll continue with our topic about eyesight. So yesterday we discussed about use it or lose it. This is a tip to naturally improve your distance vision. So yun po, nandito na naman tayo sa labas. And it's a really good way to exercise your eyes. Diba mga masters? Sabi natin is you have to be 20 feet away. You have to try to exercise your eyes by looking 20 feet away. At wag lang tayo, don't allow yourself to get just to stay inside the office or a room all day because that can cause you eye strain. So it can looking 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds every 2 hours. So sabi sa ating lecture yesterday is every 2 hours daw, try to spend some time to go out or look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Kaya 20 seconds or 2 minutes man yan. Mas maganda siguro 2 minutes, di ba? 2 minutes. Instead na 20 seconds, 2 minutes la. Gawin natin 20 minutes. Okay, so para gawin natin to at 2 minutes instead of just doing it for 20 seconds. Okay, so it's really better to go out and of course explore with real light. Kasi pag nasulob tayo ng atin, when we are inside our own room and office, we have the lights on, and these lights are artificial, so they don't even have the right ultraviolet or infrared light. So our eyes will also not be able to relax, and of course our brain, our other organs also need sunlight. Okay, so G is here sa playground. Alright, let's proceed to our topic for today is wear the lowest prescription possible. So ano bang ibig sabihin ng wear the lowest prescription possible, mga masters? Sino ba sa inyo dito ang merong mga eyeglasses? Okay, eyeglasses is of course prescription glasses. We're talking about prescribed or prescription glasses po, mga masters. Okay, so pag sinabi natin prescription glasses, ito po yung mga glasses na meron po siyang grado. It has a prescribed grade, and of course it has to undergo optometrist or optical doctors. They have to check you through their device to give you the exact or the right grade for your eyes. So not all kasi hindi tayo meron tayong iba't ibang mga grado. Yung iba po dyan, yung left eye is higher than the right eye. So we have to really have a right person or right procedure for that. Alright, so although so sabi dito is wear the lowest prescription possible, although prescription glasses are a quick fix to nearsightedness. Diba? We're talking about nearsightedness, kung saan po ay blurred na po siya kung malayo na ang iyong tinitingnan. If you're looking far and then it's blurred, it means you're already nearsighted. Okay, so sabi po dito is they cause your vision to become worse. Wearing prescription glasses, especially kung depende ka na po sa prescription glasses, imagine nyo for the whole entire life mo po ay magwe-wear ka ng eyeglasses, and hanggang kailan ba yan mag-end? So it will just get worse and worse every year, every time that you go visit the optometrist. It's gonna get higher and higher, masters, diba? So you begin to depend on your glasses or contact lenses to see. So hindi na po talaga maayos yung iyong problema, dahil po every time you visit, they change the grade or your prescription grade. Okay, so what is the best way to do, mga masters? You begin to depend on your glasses or contact lens to see instead of working your eye muscles. So instead na may exercise ka ng iyong sariling eye, ng iyong muscles, ng eye mo, ay you will just depend. Pagka ano mo, yan na lang. Gagamitin mo na lang yan throughout your life. At gagastos ka lang kasi may expiration din ang mga glasses, di ba? So parang naging negosyo na rin po siya. So especially dito sa US, may mga expiration po ang glasses. So kahit yung may mga dates po yan. So make sure your prescribed glasses are on the lowest lens grade as possible. Okay, yan po ang ating ito po yung sinasabi po dito. Make sure na at the lowest po siya. Okay, so you begin to depend na, kaya hindi ka na talaga magre-recover niyan. Ayun lang din natin, no? Trying to escape. Naka-escape na talaga si G natin, no? Tingnan nyo, nandito na po siya sa kabila. Mas gusto niya pong ganyan, mga masters at mga ka-G, diba? Si G natin talaga marunong maghanap ng way. Kanina po na dyan sa gitna, and dito na po siya sa gilid, at ito po ay daanan na. Gusto talaga ni G yung palagi po siyang nasa daanan. Right, alright, so ang problema, if you wear glasses, make sure you're prescribed the lowest prescription possible, so that you aren't completely removing your necessity of your eye muscles. So ang importante po dyan, you have to let your eye muscles work. So if you're prescribed with the highest possible grade for your prescription glasses, hindi na po para maging dependent na po yung inyong mata. Hindi na po siya mag-exert ng effort para po siya ay gumalaw at mag-adjust sa yung tinitingnan. So magiging kampante na siya, hindi na siya mag-exert ng effort niya, especially yung eye muscles natin. So, and only wear them when you really need to. So gagamitin lang po ang mga eyeglasses, prescribed eyeglasses, kung kailan lang po siya dapat gamitin. Don't wear that 24 hours a day. Or you have to make sure that you give time for your own natural eyes to do the muscle contraction by itself, or not muscle contraction, but its function or its duty by its own, and not just depend on the eyeglasses. Okay, so maybe siguro po yung mga gagawin natin diyan ay once in a while, especially pag nasa office ka, you have to remove your eyeglasses and you have to combine yung first na number 1 natin, that yung gagamitin natin yung mata natin, di ba? Use it or lose it. So gagamitin natin ng mabuti yung ating mata, especially sa mga ginagawa natin sa ating trabaho. So pag halimbawa ikaw ay nasa computer, syempre all throughout the day, kung nasa computer ka at ikaw po ay naka-eyeglasses, make sure nyo po na huhubarin yung eyeglasses nyo, and from time to time po ay lumabas at manood kayo ng punta kayo sa labas at mag 20 feet away po manonood ka. Try to exercise your eyes by looking 20 feet away, okay, for 2 minutes. Si G natin, no? super vigilant talaga sa kanyang paligid. Sabi niya bagong lugar naman ito, ayun, no? At si GI ngayon ay shedding. I have to bring you back there down. Okay, go down, go down, go down, because you're not G. Ayan po mga masters and mga ka-G, kayo po ay malapit na rin mag-end. So never wear your glasses, your distance glasses, from focusing on some up close. So kung meron kayong distant glasses, yung ibig sabihin is makakatulong po siya para matingnan mo, makita mo yung malayo. Pag ikaw ay bumabasa ng malapit sa iyo, try your best not to use it. Okay, because that's bad. It's destined, or it's made for you to read or to see the farther vision. But if you're gonna use it for reading, of course it's gonna damage your eyes. Hindi po yan dapat gamitin para sa malapit. Anyways mga masters and mga G, thank you so much sa inyong love and support. Ayan po, ang ganda ng panahon namin dito ngayon. Mainit pa rin po siya, pero windy. Pero yung wind is not that hot. Pero mainit pa rin po siya sa mga, siguro pag nasa ibang lugar ka, mainit pa rin po siya. Pero ako kasi sanay na rin po ako. Medyo cloudy po siya. So medyo hindi talaga ganyan kainit. So I'm just happy. Nakalabas naman po tayo. At si G natin ay nasa ibang lugar naman po. Nakapunta na naman po siya sa ibang environment naman. Pero isang park lang po ito Doon ko si G usually dinalagay, di ba? Doon tayo nagsi-shooting palagi. Pero ngayon, bakante po yung lugar ng mga bata. So dito natin si G paglalaroan, papalaruin. Ayan, di ba? So thank you so much mga masters Maraming salamat sa inyong full love and support. Again, see you again sa ating premiere bukas sa ating Masters Trivia. Again, this is G, the Green Bird, and your one and only Master Worm. God is great. Yahoo!